Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate your thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So if you don't know, ChatGPT has two different versions. We have the free version and we have the paying version. So in a day, you have like about 1 hour for yourself to test the paying version. Okay, so now what the paying version can do right now is amazing. Like ChatGPT can now generate pictures. Do you understand? So all you need to do is to provide the description of the type of picture you want to have, and ChatGPT is going to help you generate the picture. So I am so happy that ChatGPT has been able to do this kind of things, because as a YouTuber, I need to generate thumbnails for my videos because it's so stressful to use Photoshop or to use any other means to generate thumbnails by myself. But now that ChatGPT has made it very easy for me, then I'm going to show you how to generate thumbnails using ChatGPT for your YouTube video. And you can generate like 2 pictures per day. So let's say if you upload every single day 1 video on your YouTube channel, then you are good to go. So right now, I'm going to try to upload, I'm going to try to generate a picture that I'm going to use for a YouTube channel. Do you understand? So you have to provide ChatGPT the description of the image that you want it to generate for you. So I'm going to say, hey chat GPT, please, I want you I want you to help me generate a thumbnail for my YouTube video. I want the thumbnail to be in a cartoon style, just like the Marvel Marvel cartoon style. The video is about how to get fit for male for men. Okay, so generate a picture of a muscular man showing he is fit in the cartoon style I provided. Please do it well and respect YouTube thumbnail dimensions. Thank you. So guys, let's see the magic now. Let's see the magic. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, let's just wait. So here's the thumbnail in a Marvel style cartoon featuring a muscular man ready to get fit. It should be perfect for your YouTube video. If you need any adjustment, just let me know. So guys, can you see? Wow, amazing, amazing guys, amazing. But we need to do a little bit of adjustments for this video, okay, for this thumbnail. So we want ChatGPT to remove all these YouTube stuffs below the picture, like it has to remove it. So please remove, like, let me say, great, the picture is perfect, but please remove YouTube. Remove, like, please make it look like it's not a video. Please make it a real picture I can use, because right now it's showing like a post video. Okay, so let's see. But if this time doesn't work, then we're just going to stick with this result that we've gotten. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys, I think the second one is amazing. Okay, so you can see that ChatGPT is saying upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or try again tomorrow at 10:48 a.m. So every day by 10:48 a.m. you can use all those features for your ChatGPT. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the like button, comment something down below in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.